Hi. Okay, so I thought we'd carry on from before on fractions, and what we're going to build on is thinking about what fractions are in terms of parts of things. So, if we think about a fraction is a part of another part. We looked at the size of those things, and now we're going to look at some questions that ask you on how many parts there are out of something else. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a short video on looking at what a fraction is in terms of parts of things. And then I'm going to stop the video and we're going to work through some questions from functional skills. And we'll do entry level and then functional skills level 1 as well. Okay, so if we think, well, the simple example is pizza, I suppose. So if you've got 4 friends and you've got a pizza, you either do one of 2 things. You either keep it all for yourself, so you have the whole, or you split it up and you give one person each bit of pizza. So we know that there are 4 people there and that you all get 1 piece each. So we know, without even writing it down, that's a fraction. So now let's think about it written down. So you have these 2 numbers. And the top number shows you how many things you've used or how many things there are relevant. And the bottom number shows you how many things there are in total. So this number at the bottom stays the same. It doesn't move. Whereas the top number can change. It can be 1, 2, 3, or in this case, 4. So you might get a question that shows you something like a picture or says somebody has this many things, they have this, they eat this many or use this many. What's the fraction? So the first thing to do is think, well, what are the numbers doing? So we've got, let's look at the question. Kent has 4 sweets. He eats 1 sweet. What fraction of sweets has he eaten? Well, the first thing that we want to do, is, let's put you over here, is put how many things there are in total. Just move that across. There we go. How many things are there in total? Okay, so if we look at Kent's sweets, we know that in total he has here 4 sweets. So we know here. So because it's the total, we then know that that number goes on the bottom, okay, because that's the total number. So put 4 there. Okay, so we've done that one. So let's look at these. He eats 1 sweet. So let's take one of these. Sorry, I'm selecting the wrong thing. So he takes 1 sweet. Let's take it over there. There's the 1. Okay, so he's got 3 sweets left. But we know he's eaten 1. And that's the things we've used. So that number should go on the top. And we know it's 1. So we know that Kent has eaten 1/4 of the sweets, which is 1 out of 4. Okay. That's how you, sorry, I've gone to the wrong board. That's how you work out questions that actually ask you parts of things. Work out how many things there are in total, and then work out how many things have been used. And if you do it that way round, if you do the things in total first, that will give you your bottom number. And that means that if you get stuck or get lost, you know that you're just looking for the other number there, which would be number 1. Okay. So let's end this video now, and then we'll look at some more questions from the exam papers. Hope that was helpful. Take care. Bye.